Hello everyone, I'm Altaf. Today we are going to see the use of shared preferences in Android Studio using Java. So our example app is gonna look like this. It's like uh, the meaning of shared preferences is when you log into an app and then when you close the app without logging out, and when you come back to the app, the settings you have changed or something, the color, the background, something you have changed, like that must be, like everything must not be set to default, and that must be shown. That must be visible again. So we are going to try that. Like the settings must be changed. So here I made a login screen, and I have gave no database here, just string matching for login. And then if I click remember me and then login, this is the screen where the color must be remembered. If I change to blue and then give save color, it will be blue without logging in. If I close the app like this, okay, and then when I again open the app, when I again open the app here, directly it comes here, like the color will be saved, the username, like the login will be saved and everything. When you click logout again, then it goes back. So we're going to see how we did this. So this is the main activity file. I'll show the XML file. This is XML file. Like we have a text view here, the basic. I gave the background as black, and then this is the edit text here with the ID username. And then this is another edit text here with the ID password. You can keep it as password. I just gave it as edit text. You can give the type password to keep the characters hidden. This is checkbox, which on selected, like I give SP, which on selected shares the saves the preferences. And then this is a button, login button, which on clicking take you to the next page. Okay, so let's see the main activity. Here I just created the instances of all those like edit text and checkbox and buttons here, and I created the share preferences objects and gave it the name as my prefs. It's called get share preferences. And then mode private helps other apps, restricts other apps from using this app's content. So I am retrieving my prefs from share preferences. If there is what is going on here is, like, if there are shared preferences, like actually I'll show you here. See, when you click on login, this is a click listener. When you click on login, then the shared preferences, like to save the shared preferences, we should use this editor function, shared preferences dot editor is equal to myprefs dot edit. This line is mandatory, and then using that editor object, you should use the put string function to, like, this is the key and the value. The key is username and the value is the one which you are entering in the username box. So this is the username box which I'm entering, then this is the password. Editor dot apply saves it. So what I'm doing here is, whenever you are opening the app, if from the shared preferences I'm checking whether the username in the shared preference and the password are Altaf and ABC. If it is, then directly I'm taking them into the logged in screen, where the name of the user and the color which he already chose is being shown. So for displaying the name there, I am using this intent and sending the value Altaf there, so I can display it in the text view. So using start activity, we can go to the next intent. So here the basic thing is, when you check the checkbox, if you check the checkbox, it saves into the share preferences, else it doesn't save. If this is just a string matching I'm doing, not using a database for login. So if the username and equals this, then we are showing login success, and then we are taking into the next screen. So else we are showing the name. Just you can keep a message here, login not successful. Okay, I'll show the main activity 2 here. Main activity 2, what we are doing, we are again obtaining the object of the shared preferences, the same shared preferences, and then we are using spinner here for selecting of the color. And then this is, I'll show you the activity whole thing. This is a text view where we are going to display the username. This is a spinner where we have colors. This array color I'll show you. Here we have created a string array where we have multiple colors here, and we are obtaining this for the spinner here, array and we are giving the spinner mode as drop down to get this drop down type. And these are two buttons which are on clicking this saves the color, then which on clicking this gives logout. So here I'm getting the constraint layout object here so that I can change the background color. So okay, I'm getting this, and then button. So using switch case, actually while as soon as the login screen appears, logged in screen, I'm checking whether from in shared preferences already a color is stored. If a color is stored, then I'm setting the background to that color. If it is not stored, then it is fine. So on clicking the save color button, the color gets from using the get selected item from the spinner, the color gets into this color string color variable, and then I'm saving that into the shared preference, as well as I'm setting the color. So switch color, if it is red, then we are using the constraint load object and setting the background color to red, blue, green, yellow. Then in the text view, I'm just displaying the username which we sent from the other screen there. And then this is the on click listener, where on clicking we are going where on clicking logout, what happens is when I click logout, I want to clear the save preference. Otherwise next time I open the app, I'll directly go into the login. So I'm again resetting them to empty strings, the username and password here, and then using my intent. Like after you log out, I must go to the login screen. So I am using this intent function again to go back to the the main activity class. So the final result will be like this. So thanks for watching.